Narcotics Chief DJ Granville is now suspended without pay. Our Rob Petrie was inside the courtroom. He joins us now with all the details. Rob.
One more time.
Yeah, DJ Granville in court today facing 2 charges, the first of which was reckless driving, the second leaving the scene of a property damage accident. Now, he ultimately pleaded guilty to both of those charges. Now, you may remember Granville is accused of crashing his county-owned truck into 6 vehicles on Buffalo's west side, causing nearly 60 grand in damages while on duty last year. Now, as the court opened, the prosecution and the defense both had the opportunity to address the judge. Now, the prosecutor in this case, Niagara County District Attorney Brian Seaman, acknowledging that Granville did not have a criminal record prior to this and asked for the maximum fine in the case along with community service. Now, the attorney representing Granville, Terry Connors in this case, talked about Granville's 26 years of service as a law enforcement officer and how over the years hundreds of pounds of drugs were seized. Now, he then went on to talk about the stress that law enforcement face and the high suicide rate, saying Granville is not immune to that stress and was actually in the hospital just a few days before the incident and was allegedly prescribed an improper dose of medication that contributed to that crash. Now, Granville did get up and speak. He apologized to the Erie County Sheriff's Office, the Buffalo Police Department, and his family. He was sentenced with a $350 fine for the count of reckless driving, along with 50 hours of community service and a $250 fine for the other charge. After the hearing, District Attorney Seaman spoke and said that they were ultimately at a disadvantage prosecuting this case because the investigation didn't start until 8 months after the incident happened. Despite that, he said his office handled this case as they would with anyone else.
It would have been a very simple investigation if it would have been completed on April 11th, 2024. This is not the only case like this. This is not unique. This is a common way to try to approach a case like this where you can't name the drug or the intoxicating agent, is to approach it through a reckless driving charge.
Yeah, Erie County Sheriff John Garcia issuing a statement this afternoon following the hearing where he announced that Granville has been suspended without pay effective immediately. His statement reads in part, quote, "I, for one, do not feel he nor anyone should have his career defined by one night." He then goes on to say, quote, "Everyone at the Erie County Sheriff's Office, especially those in command positions, needs to be held responsible for their actions. While he should have taken responsibility sooner, DJ has done so today." Now, moving forward, the Erie County Sheriff's Office is, of course, continuing their own internal investigation, which remains to be seen on how that's going to wrap up. But we will, of course, keep you updated as soon as we learn more as far as that internal investigation is concerned. Until then, reporting live here in downtown Buffalo, Rob Petrie, News 4.